So how can you do this problem in 30 seconds or less if x and y are both negative integers? Important. With x less than y, which expression has the least value? So first things first, this is a positive value here. This is a positive value here, so they will probably go. Now the question is between this one and that one, both negative, and since x squared is less, the answer is E. How was I able to do this problem so fast? So if x and y that are both negative, and for this specific problem, what I would do is I would select both negative numbers in order to make the illustration easier, right? So I would not select -1 and -2 necessarily. I would go probably -2, -5, like some different numbers just to make sure that when I plug them in, the result is representative. So let's assume that y is equal to -2 and x is equal to -5. Why? Because x is more negative, right? Because they're both negative integers. Now let's start plugging them in. So here we have negative x squared, so -5 squared times -2. So what you have here is you have a negative times a positive times a negative, and you get a positive answer. Chances are G is wrong because we're looking for the least value. All right, what about H? In case of H, we have negative -5 times -2 squared, which is minus, and a plus. So it's a plus. So chances are, again, G and H, since they're both positive, chances are they're just not the right answer. So now we are between E and F. And let's see what we have. So for E, we got x squared, so -5 squared times -2. So notice how, and then for, like, let's actually write out F as well. So -5 times -2 squared. Notice how this is larger than that. So chances are we're going to go with the E. It's going to be more negative. So it's going to be the lesser value. So let's go. So here, this is 25 times -2, right? So we got -50. Now here we have -5 times 4, which is -20. So -50 is lesser, is the least value. The answer is E. That's it.